Okay, now the initial resistance here has been broken, and we appear to have another new resistance around here. Okay, all right, we already have weak formation. Wicks are formed on the candle, and if this present candle closes below here, the resistance will be formed. But if this present candle closes above, just like what happened here, if it closes above the wicks, then that's a bullish continuation and price will go up. So let's monitor to see what happens here. Okay, if we have a closure, if this present candle closes as a bearish candle, okay, then price will retrace to some extent before continuing up. But if this present candle closes above the 2 weeks, these 2 weeks, it closes above here as a solid bullish candle, then price will continue up towards our take profit. But for now, the initial resistance here has been broken and price is above it. Okay, we may possibly have another resistance here formed. It depends on what happens to the current candle. As of now, we are in profit. Let's see whether we hit our take profit or possibly set trailing stop. Move manually our stop loss to protect our trade. Okay, but for now it will be too tight if we should move our stop loss to trade entry. We should buy trade entry to too tight. Price might easily close our trade, but we don't want to do that. Let's monitor what happens at this particular area here. Okay, let's see what happens. Zooming out, this is still the trade formation. Our sell stop is still waiting to be triggered. Okay, our sell stop here still waiting to be triggered, but it may not be triggered because what is currently happening is like we are in profit and the price has broken above the current weeks, the 2 weeks. Okay, 2 candle weeks, and the price closes where it is, it will head towards our take profit. Okay, like I said earlier, this strategy is good for people that have patience, that can wait to monitor the trade. Strategy is good for such traders. It's also good for traders that is always in loss. Okay, always in loss, always blowing accounts. Okay, from one account to another. This strategy will give you opportunity to at least record some profits or break even at worst. Break even means you record no loss and no profit. Okay, after some trading session. Let's see what will happen here. This present candle is going to decide for us, is it going to close above the wick or below the wick? If it closes below the wick, like it's going to do, then we may have a resistance. Okay, and if we have a resistance, that means price will go down and not head towards our take profit. Let's monitor what happens. So we may possibly have a new resistance around here. Okay, because we tend to have like 1, 2, 3 weeks. Okay, 3 candle weeks. Okay, let's see, let's monitor. Okay, the present 5-minute candle has closed. Now what do we have? We have a doji. Doji can either be bullish or bearish. However, price may either close bullish or bearish, like a neutral candle. But let's watch what will happen. This present candle, is it going to close below the doji or is it going to close above the doji? Let's see what happens. We'll continue to monitor the trade. It appears as if we now have a resistance formed around here. Okay, these are new resistance, though the fractal arrow has not showed up. Okay, I'm still on a 5-minute time frame. All right, so for some scalpers, as price got to this level, some traders will have scalped it off and start the whole trade all over again. Okay, but for the purpose of this exercise, we are going to try and see if it will get close to our take profit before we attempt to scalp it off. Okay, We already have our insurance in place. This is our insurance, is sell stop order here. This is our insurance in case price goes against us. But for now, we are in loss of 0.13, okay, 0.21. Let's continue to monitor. It appears as if we have a resistance form here with the way it's going. And these are our support. These are immediate supports. We have a support like a protection against our sell stop order around here. So let's continue to monitor what happens.